Hey, it's V, buzzing with the V. So I'm going to share with you guys a card that I made as well as make a card. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is a feature for scrapdivadesigns.com. This is her Instagram, her YouTube. She has a TikTok. I will have it linked below. And this is the hashtag. Be sure to follow the hashtag to gain more inspiration from other talented crafters. It's a must. So check that out, as well as the website. Check out her website. So I did use this die here. This one is the Heart Plate number 3 die. It does come with one piece. And I also used this one here. This one is the Capsella leaves, 6 pieces. So these are what the leaves look like. These are it right here. These ones definitely will be using with all my florals. There's no way around that. So this is the card I made for a friend. I'm sending this off to her. It says, thinking of you. I did put the Capsella leaves in the middle. Very simple card. I also used Scrap Diva Designs nesting dies here in different colors. The background pattern paper is the heart plate right here. As you can see, it does look very different on pattern paper. So I'm going to bring it closer so you can see all of the faux stitching on there. This banner piece here is also Scrap Diva. The stamp is from a Joann's craft store, and I just added some twine right in the middle, and just a very simple card to say thinking of you. And then I also glued a leaf here. I'm going to write my sentiment there. So very simple and easy to do, and you guys can get your imagination going and make this so much better than I have. I'm not a card maker, but I love watching card making videos. They're just awesome. I love going into that community and looking and seeing what they have. So these are it right here. So I'm going to put these to the side, and we are going to get into what we're making today. So this one right here is heart plate number 1 with one piece as well. It's similar to the heart plate number 3. So I got 1 and 3, just different styles of heart patterns. And I just, I think this is a good plate to have for different occasions. I will also be using this for Valentine's, so it's also really good for spring, as you can see here. So it's let's go ahead and get into it. I'm just babbling off. So I'm also going to use this here, the spring words, and also using the bunny shaker die. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this specific embellishment here or create a new one. I'm gonna go ahead and get on into it and see what we create. But I've been having lots of fun on TikTok making my videos there. They're kind of ASMR / how-tos. And I get all into the crafty sounds that we love to hear. So check me out there. I'm using this paper pad from Michaels, which I picked up last year. I saw Erica haul this one, I believe, or was it a birthday? I think it was the birthday one. And then when I went to go grab that one, I saw this one and I fell in love. So here are all the papers. Well, it doesn't just have these. It has tons, you guys. You get so much right there, 58 sheets. So I'm having fun with that, and let's go ahead and get started. I have all of my pieces die cut. So this is what we're working with, minus the sprigs and then the pink I'm not using, or the white. I decided to go with the green. So I'm going to go ahead and glue those word pieces, and we will get started, as well as I'm going to glue this piece too. These are the nesting dies. I'm going to glue them together. Also, this right here, we'll do that together. And then we have these right here. It's an A2 size card, and we'll glue that together as well. Okay, I have the nesting dies all set and ready to go. I have the word pieces all set and ready to go. So now I need to glue this right here, and I'm going to use some adhesive right here. So let's do that now. And then the rest is going to be some liquid glue. I have my background all set, so now let me go ahead and glue this down. I'm going to use some of this tape here from Amazon. I'm going to glue it down right in the middle, just like the other. Okay, I'm all done with this. I'm going to set this aside so we can work on the bunny head. And I have two pieces, so this is a solid white. This is a pattern paper. Now, before I glue this onto here, I'm going to add some embroidery thread. So this is the one that I'm working with. This one is 8 millimeters and it's for Michaels. I bought it with a pack of other colors. So that's the piece. So let me go ahead and do this. I'm going to use this tool here. This is a piercing tool I picked up from Amazon. I will have it linked below. All set. Here are my holes, and I'm going to use embroidery thread to do that. Check out Paige Evans' tutorial on how to hand stitch as well as make some knots. I will have her video linked below so you can go ahead and learn how to do this. So much happened. So let me walk you through what happened here. I did do the embroidery stitching. I'm going to add these flowers soon. I also tied a knot out of yarn and added it as the nose. I also added whiskers, and I'm using this ribbon from Michaels, and it is the thinner one. I think it's like 1/8 of an inch, but added that as whiskers. So let me show you the back. There's the back, not too bad. And so I would glue, you don't have to, but I like to do it just for stability. I like to put a backing on it, even though I'm going to glue it down to this piece here. And I just love it. It's turning out great. I'm going to add, I decided to go with just pink flowers. And so I'm going to add pink flowers, and I'm also going to add the sprigs here, but in gold, I think. And as far as the sentiment, I really thought this would fit down here. If I had known this wouldn't fit down here, I would have added wishes down here before gluing down the circle, added Easter right here, and then this in the middle. But unfortunately, this is what happened, and this is what we get. So I'm just going to add Easter down here with some dimensionals there. And I just love how it's turning out so far. Here, the back is all cleaned up. We're going to add dimensionals there. Let's get this done. And double-sided adhesive. Let's get some strips clipped here. Get it going. There's that one. Now the second one. Let's get another one in there. All done. Let's get this on. Okay. Let's get Easter on. Okay, Easter is on. Let's get the sprigs down. Let's get the flowers in. I am finished with the card. I added some sequins here and there. There's the sprigs. I love the flowers, the sentiment in gold, and finished. The inside has a sprig here and done. So we have 2 cards here made with the capsella leaves. I just love how they both turned out. Very simple and easy cards to make. Well, you guys, that concludes the video. I will see you guys in the next video. Be sure to check out the description linked below. My discount code will be there if needed. That'll save you at checkout. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a message down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.